Drop a distributor, you ready? When I drop a distributor, I always set my timing, or my balancer at 4 degrees advance. Then I come back here and I set the drive rod for the oil pump where I want it to be. And I take the distributor and I clock the rotor to the left. Get a shot of this. You want to have your rotor pointing towards number 1, but towards the back of the carburetor, and then that'll give you more throw on your adjustment for recall of the van. And the last thing to do is put your hold down on. Sometimes, depending on where your post is out there, you have to grind down your hold down on one side so it fits properly. Make sure you have movement. You put your cap on. You want it sitting between 1 and 8.
Between 1 and 8?
And between 1 and 8. Like that. And then it for sure will fire.
So if a customer called in asking about what the timing is on a small block, what would be the answer?
32 degrees at 2500 is total timing, and 8 to 12 degrees depending on 350 or 383.
Perfect.